Can you read the title of this video on your screen? It says you can make $45.50 per hour. That's around $1,820 a week, considering you work 8 hours per day and 5 days a week. Just like you, I didn't know what this method is or if it will really work, but I'm curious about it. So let's explore together and find out if this is for real. Let's start today's video. In this video, I'm going to share two methods of making money. One is for you if you are ready to do most of the manual work yourself and follow 7 hectic steps every time you want to make some income, and then wait for others to take action to get paid for that. The second method, which is our own method, is for you if you are serious about systematic online income systems, ready to make your first $100,000 before 2022 ends. And instead of doing any manual work, you let the system do 99% of the work on your behalf. Full disclaimer, no one can guarantee your income except yourself, and it won't happen overnight. But if you follow this video till the end, I can guarantee you that you will learn how to make a never-ending income online. And you don't need previous experience or technical knowledge. You don't need a website or hosting server. You can make money from anywhere in the world in this system. We know this system works for the beginners because right now we follow the same system and get visitors from YouTube 100% free using 3 minutes of work using our software Epic. And we make $5 from every visitor we get from our videos, $5,000 from 1,000 visitors, and we made over $60,000 from around 12,000 visitors from only 2 of our campaigns using our videos. To make these videos, we use our software Epic. If you hate being on the camera, I have a good news for you because you don't need to be on the camera. Epic allows us and all other users make videos using simply copying and pasting free images, links, and texts. We don't need to record our own voice using microphone because Epic makes natural voiceover using text-to-voice technology. Epic writes the scripts for our videos using built-in artificial intelligence with a push of a button. And all the Epic users get the same benefits. All our users get full access to our videos as well from inside their user dashboard. They can use our videos as templates and make their own videos using basically our videos. Epic is free to try for our YouTube viewers. The link is in the description. Go get Epic right now, start using and make money. In a moment, we will show you how Epic works and other methods as well. But before we begin, I want to introduce today's sponsor. Our today's sponsor is you. We can confidently say that you will love to be our sponsor because you don't have to spend money. All you have to do is become a part of the noble mission helping 100 million individuals and families get rid of their financial distress by earning online. From our sponsor, which is you, we want only 2 things. Hit the like button and share this video with your friends and family and social media contacts, social media groups, and private chat group. This is the only way you can help us reach as many people as possible and help them with the right education of how to make money online. Do you know what made me stop scrolling on this particular video? Because it promised a good income and I wanted to check if this system really works. If it does, I will make some money. And since you will be following all the steps with me, you will also make money. It's a win-win. Oh, by the way, this person is a good friend of mine. He has good content, and if you see his YouTube channel, it has a very good number of subscribers. They uploaded this video a couple of days ago and already have good number of views and likes, which means people liked this video and are interested in what he has to say. So in the first step, the video asks you to go to a website called freeplrdownloads.com. Good. It will show you some of the popular niches. Don't go for low competition niches. The next he showed is you have to download a PDF ebook in zip format. After that, you'll have to extract the zip file and the PDF will open. In the third step, you go to ClickBank and find same or related offer to the PDF. Here he shows an offer that grabbed his attention with the gravity score of 27.35, which is a good sign. It means a lot of affiliates are selling it and making money. The next thing he showed is that the price point of this offer, initial price point, is $1, which again is a good thing in his opinion because it's just $1 initial price. But you will make money when the rebills roll in monthly or annual. So you will be making a lot of money on recurring basis. Now you become an affiliate and collect your affiliate link. Go to step number 4 is a free PDF editor, online editor, to edit the PDF and make it kind of more congruent with the bank offer that you are promoting, and then upload the PDF in your Google Drive and collect the link to share the PDF. Now step number 5, go to another website called uii.io. Here you will be able to shorten the Google Drive link. Now why you must do this? Because they will pay you when you send traffic to the shortened links. The more traffic you send, the more money you will make. Not a lot of money, but money is money. Step number 6, you go to another social website called Gab or Jab or gab.com. Here you will find groups that are related to your niche, congruent to your PDF and the ClickBank offer that you're promoting. Join all the related groups and write valuable post and share your free PDF link in all the groups so they can go and grab your PDF for free without even opting in or anything like that. Now you have already edited the PDF and you put your pre-sale offer and affiliate link, so people will click your link, they will love your PDF share, and possibly some people will buy from your link and you will make affiliate commission. This video shows the total of 6 to 7 steps, some of which are okay, they make sense, but not at all beginner friendly. This is not a simple process. It involves a lot of time and steps to take action and get results. And you have to take all the actions every single day on every campaign in order to make money every day. But steps are not the main problem. It requires a lot of manual work. Nothing is automated, and if you don't put effort, you can't make money. It involves a lot of technical knowledge. It's time consuming. It may make you some money here and there, but it won't help you build any asset. So basically, lots of work and lots of time and very little return to show for it. And if any of the parts in the system stops working, the income will collapse. Maybe Gap.com is allowing pasting random links at the moment, but maybe tomorrow it becomes super strict and then your whole system will fail. Maybe the link shortener will stop working, they will stop paying, maybe they will ban your account and your income will collapse. You are only relying on one traffic source, Gap groups, which is not a big number. So overall, it's not a reliable income system. This is not what we want. To be honest, making money online isn't as hard as this video and a lot of other videos on YouTube make it look. There is only one major rule of making money online. It's called provide value. Money is always in the pockets of other people, and to get that money, you have to give them value in return. It could be in the form of a product or a service or simply information. Information is the most valuable thing in the world. For instance, let me make it easy for you. Go to YouTube and type, let's say, coldest. If I type coldest, a lot of videos come up and it has a hopping 85,000 monthly search volume, which means 85,000 people search with the keyword coldest on YouTube. I just searched with the keyword coldest and see all these videos, hundreds of thousands, if not millions of views. People who live in the hottest places would love to know about the coldest places in the world. Which places are the coldest? What is the average temperature in those places? How do people live there, etc., etc. Even people who want to travel to those places as tourists would love to know about them first. This is the information, and this is freely available on the internet. You don't need technical knowledge to know this information. Just read, watch videos, and you know it. You just have to go search on Google or YouTube, Wikipedia, and boom. So if you just go ahead and make a video about 10 coldest places in the world or something like that, who wouldn't want to watch that video? Now, instead of putting a lot of effort like all these lengthy 10-minute, 20 minutes long videos, why not make 1-minute video which is called short? YouTube Shorts, and YouTube love these shorts because shorts is a new feature and YouTube is basically competing with TikTok, Facebook Reels, and Instagram Reels. So they are promoting their best to YouTube Shorts creators. So if you are making YouTube Shorts, you're basically helping YouTube get more viewers from outside and existing viewers to stick to your videos. So YouTube will love your videos and they will promote your videos. You will get free traffic from YouTube just by making 1-minute YouTube Shorts using my software Epic. Link is in the description, by the way. Free to try, go get it. Now let me search on YouTube using a keyword called coldest places. Now look at the search results. The first video is a long video, second video is a long video, and now starts YouTube Shorts. Because I told you, YouTube loves shorts and they will promote shorts the hardest. The first video has 67,000 views, the second video 1,600 views, 17,000 views and 10,000 views, 8,000 views and 5,000 views. Most of these short videos are new. Maybe brand new, maybe published yesterday. We make videos and instantly we get hundreds of views. All these views are real people, they are real traffic, and they visit our website. And as I told you, we make $5 from each visitor on the average. 1,000 visitors equals $5,000 for us, and 12,000 visitors made us over $60,000. Now let me show you how to make videos, short videos, or any kind of videos using Epic. We use our own artificial intelligence software. It's called Epic. Epic is free to start. Link is in the description. Go grab it. And let me quickly show you how to just upload a file, a text file, and make a video just like. So let's say you have a story or a script for your video written in a text file, and the text file is saved in your hard drive. Yes, by the way, Epic helps you make videos using image and text. Epic turns text into natural sounding voiceover. Epic writes this script using artificial intelligence. Everything is included inside Epic, and Epic makes bite-sized videos in tiny little bit sections right here. Now you don't have any section, but in 1 second there will be. I will go to the text section and go to the text file to video section and click this upload text file button, then click choose file. So I will select this file and click open and then click submit, and in a matter of seconds on the right hand side you see all these tiny sections. Click on them and you see each paragraph is on the canvas. Now you can just copy this text, come here and copy this text, go to the audio section. If you want to upload your audio or voiceover file, super awesome, or you can record your voice directly through your microphone, or you can go to the text to audio section, click the add button, put your text here, give it a title, select the quality, select the voiceover type, and just one click the voiceover will be ready. Let me do it. Click, the voiceover is ready. Now go to the text to audio section and play. If you want to preview, I would like to ask the editor to download this file from here, from this project, and play when I play. Play.
Only one word can be used to describe Squid Game: intense. The entire show is on an entirely new level.
I can pause it, I can just click add, and immediately it's added added to this slide. Now I can add any image from my library just in one click. Here it is. Or I can copy the link of any image and just paste it here, and immediately the image will be loaded on the canvas. How cool is that? Let me delete it, and instead of copying the address, let's copy the image from another site. So copy image, and I will click here, paste here, click upload, and immediately the image is in my library just in one click. I can use the image, talk about it, make a section of the video. And this way I can go on and on. I can save my project, come back later, add more section if I want in the same process. And once I'm happy with my section or the whole video, I'll simply click one render button and the video will be ready in the background. This is how we make videos for 20 plus channels using complete beginner assistance, or maybe my kids and sometimes myself, without using expensive softwares, experienced editors, special effects, or anything at all. So our videos are story based, informative, educational, but it takes only a few minutes to build. That gets us thousands of clicks. Did you like our video? We put a lot of effort on it, so you learn how to make money online. We need your like and a share. So hit the like button and share this video with your friends, family, social media contacts, and everyone you know who need to learn how to make money online. They will love you, they will follow you, and eventually they will become your first customers and paying clients. And if you subscribe to our channel and switch on the notification bell button, YouTube will notify you as the most premium user when we will upload our next money making video. And we will see you in the next video.